Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Kavya. This is me Kavya and I'm English language learner. I made this channel to improve my English. I know how to speak but sometimes while speaking I get stuck. So I want to become a fluent English speaker. That's why I made this channel and there is no environment, so I thought of making this channel because when you have environment then you can learn English, I mean any language easily, right? So I don't have any environment and I live in village, so that is why I made this channel. So here in my channel I share my English learning journey and I'll upload daily. I took 30 days English speaking challenge so that I can improve my English fast. So if you are a beginner just like me, so please subscribe my channel and be the part of my English learning journey. So I'll not write a script and then I'll speak. I want to speak naturally, right? I will share my daily routine, what I do, and how was my day. So I want to speak naturally. So I'll meet in next video. And please consider to subscribe my